You go get the nuts, we'll go with those. Right, we've got to put another pen in here. So you'll have a friend to talk to. And then... Oh, you haven't!
What the fuck?
You have. Oh, fucking Caleb.
What was it?
We put that system in that completely fills the place with smoke.
Why didn't you tell me?
I thought Gerald had his head of security. We put it in this morning.
Well, he didn't inform me. You're playing at.
Oh, fuck's sake.
I didn't shit myself.
We've had it in 3 hours. I mean, I was hoping never... I can't... Where's the fucking door?